12 tons of KitKat chocolate, over 413,000 bars stolen from a truck.
Thieves made off with the entire shipment. No one saw it coming.
March 2026. Truck left Nestlé factory in central Italy for Poland. Never reached destination.
Nestlé's reaction was hilarious. They said thieves took the "have a break" message too literally. Thieves have made a break with more than 12 tons of our chocolate. This massive haul could cause real KitKat shortages right before Easter. Police in multiple countries are investigating. Truck and chocolate still missing. $413,793 bars worth hundreds of thousands of euros vanished into thin air. Social media exploded with jokes about the sweetest crime in history. Stores and buyers, check batch codes. Your KitKat might be from the stolen batch. Imagine discovering 12 tons of free KitKat. What would you do with it all? Funniest heist ever or serious crime? Drop your wildest chocolate fantasy below.